Moving further to our topic for vocabulary related to cue cards, the topic that we are going to discuss today means the words that I am going to give you today are related to historical building. First of all, students, let us see what are the different types of questions that can be asked. One question can be speak about a historical building. Directly, the question can be to talk about a historical place. Other way around is describe any historical building in your country or describe any historical place you have recently visited. Few words can be added or modified, but students, the central topic, the central idea that you need to cover in your answer is historical place. What are the different words that can be used? First of all, intrigue. Have you heard the word before? If not, let me tell you the meaning of intrigue. To make somebody interested and want to know more. When you are describing a place, if you want to say that this is a place that is very interesting, people who go there, they want to know more about that place. So rather than using a simple line, you can simply use the word intrigue. The next word is rich historical background. I won't say a word but an expression to justify that that particular place has a very vast history, full of different events and activities. Ancient or historic, what is the meaning of that? A place that has a long history, a place that was constructed long time ago. You can use the word ancient or historic. Beautiful, attractive, lovely, these words can be used. For example, if you are talking about Taj Mahal, then you can definitely talk about the beauty. You can use the words attractive, lovely, and what is the meaning? Very pleasing. Fast-paced, bustling, or hectic. Now students, three of these words can be used to identify a crowded or a busy place. If you are talking about a place and you want to say that maximum times this place is very crowded, there are so many people, streets are very busy, you can use the word fast-paced. You can also use the word bustling. Moving further to our next word, that is delightful or charming. Now something very pleasing, very nice, then you can use the word delightful or charming. Contemporary. This is the word very often used for historical places, which means modern or up to date. Small or compact, if the place you are talking about is located in a small area, then you can use the word small or compact. Famous, that is very popular. Fantastic, again very simple word. Amazing, awesome, fabulous, marvelous, these are all the synonyms. So the 5 words that you can see, including fantastic and the meanings, amazing, awesome, fabulous, marvelous, these are the words that can be used to describe the beauty, the significance, the look of a place. So students, these were the words that can be used to describe the cue card which is related with historical background. Or you can say any famous historical building or a place that you are describing within your country. Use these words while you are practicing, try to include them to make a nice answer.